Welcome. If you want to change the date and time settings in Thomson LED Smart TV, at the first you have to go for the settings, scroll to the system settings, pick timer, and in this place you have to pick clock. Right now we can set up this option automatically. As you can see, the date and the time is on the gray highlight, and I cannot choose it, but when you want to make it manually you have to click here and then select off. Right now we are able to change it manually. Take a look. So for example, let's change date. And right now if you want to confirm, you have to click OK. As you can see, the date has changed. Of course, I'm gonna back to the previous one. Okay. And the same you can make in the time. So you can change hour, minutes, and of course seconds. So let's set correct one, and click OK. And that's how we can make it manually. But of course I'm gonna switch to the automatic because I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network. And there it is. Also we can pick here power on and power off timer. And you can change the time zone. You can pick as per broadcast or make it manually. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.